tucked away in the quiet village of Corjuem in North Goa, stands Mae De Deus High School, a place where education, tradition and community have come together for generations. Set amidst lush greenery and the gentle rhythm of village life, the school reflects the calm and timeless character of Goa's countryside. From above, its campus blends naturally into the landscape, framed by coconut palms, open skies, and winding village roads. Established in 1962, Mae De Deus High School has been a cornerstone of learning in Corjuem for over 6 decades. What began as a local institution has grown into a respected center of education, quietly shaping the lives of students from Corjuem and neighbouring villages. Over the years, the school has been known not only for academic excellence, but for nurturing strong values, discipline, and a deep sense of responsibility. Within these classrooms, learning has always gone beyond textbooks, focusing on character, perseverance, and purpose. From this very campus have emerged engineers, doctors, teachers, and professionals who have gone on to serve society across India and beyond. Their journeys began here, shaped by dedicated teachers, supportive families, and an environment that encouraged curiosity and hard work. From a bird's eye view, the school reveals its quiet strength. The buildings stand modest yet meaningful, reflecting an institution rooted in service rather than show. The surrounding greenery reminds us that education here grows in harmony with nature. As village life unfolds around it, the school remains a steady presence, witnessing daily routines, youthful energy, and the passing of generations. Each morning, students arrive carrying dreams that build upon the legacy of those who walked these paths before them. This aerial journey is more than a visual tribute. It is a reflection of a school that has shaped minds, guided futures, and remained deeply connected to its roots. In its quiet dignity and enduring presence, Mae De Deus High School stands as a reminder that when education is grounded in values and community, it has the power to shape not just careers, but lives.